Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this metallic heart dress in Trust and Press without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to choose bangs only and combine it with this one. And for the color, you can make it this color and then put on this fur hat and this stocking and this mesh and this shoes. But this item is optional and actually you can combine it with the other items. And then we're going to go to the changing room. From the changing room, go to the coat item and then you're going to choose this dress and select toggle 4. Okay, and then you're going to apply this color, this one, and then I'm going to change the material to metallic. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this area and then put on this sleeves. For the sleeves, you're going to apply this pattern and then you're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, and then put on this heart dress or this heart skirt and then you're going to apply the same pattern and then again make it metallic. Alright, done. And then I'm going to put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to choose gloves. Alright, and then we're going to apply the same pattern. And again, guys, we're going to make it metallic. Okay, and let's move to this area. And then you're going to put on this skirt and make it fur. Okay, you can add the fur. And then you're going to apply the same pattern. Oops. For the fur, I'm just going to make it white. Okay, and again, we're going to make it metallic. Okay, guys, and I'm sorry, I forgot something from the changing room. So I'm going to go back to here. And then I'm going to go to this menu and put on the sleeves from the witch set. And again, make it metallic. And then you're going to change the pattern to this one. Okay, now it's done, guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.